guys, this is Vivian Dago. Today, let's talk about one of the most iconic Filipino films ever made, Lino Brocas Maynila sa Kuko ng Liwanag. Kung hindi niyo pa napapanood, grabe, you're missing out on a masterpiece. Pero don't worry, I'll break it down for you kung bakit sobrang relevant pa rin niya hanggang ngayon, especially with the social issues we face today. So, let's dive in. So, the movie is set in 1970s. The story follows Julio Madiaga, isang probinsyano na pumunta sa Manila para hanapin ang girlfriend niya na si Ligaya. But instead of finding happiness, he's met with harsh realities. Poverty, exploitation, and violence. Sounds familiar, isn't it? Parang kahit ngayon, ganito pa rin ang nangyayari. Urban reality versus expectations would be our first point. Maraming tao ang lumilipat sa city thinking it's the land of opportunity. But like Julio, they end up struggling to survive. Sa movie, pinakita yung buhay niya sa construction worker. Grabe yung conditions nila. Mababa ang sahod, walang benefits, and fast forward to today, ganito pa rin ang kwento ng maraming manggagawa. Diba nga, there's still protests for fair wages and better working conditions. So, it's still relevant for today. And there's still social inequality. Ang laki ng gap ng mayayaman at mahirap sa movie. Yung mga mayayaman nakatira sa mansyon, pero si Julio at yung mga kasama niya nakatira lang sa barangay. And honestly, ganito pa rin ngayon. Look around Manila. It's full of skyscrapers and luxury condos. Pero nasa tabi lang nito yung mga informal settlers, struggling every single day. And violence and desperation. Sa movie, makikita mo kung paano naging desperate si Julio dahil sa hirap ng buhay. He witnesses crimes and even ends up committing violence himself. Ang sakit pa noon kasi alam mong nangyayari talaga in real life. Kapag walang suporta ang sistema para sa mga tao, they're forced to make the heartbreaking decisions just to survive. And let's not forget the city, Manila. It's like a character in this film. Manila is both beautiful and cruel. It offers hope, at the same time it crushes dreams. Parang hanggang ngayon, cities are seen as places of opportunity. Pero maraming tao ang nauwi sa hirap at disillusionment. Lastly, love and sacrifice. Julio's love for Ligaya drives him throughout the film. Pero grabe yung sacrifices na ginawa niya. And in the end, well, no spoilers na lang, pero it's tragic and heartbreaking. Kaya nga sobrang powerful ng story na ito. It shows how love can push people to its limits. And Maynila sa Kuko ng Liwanag isn't just a movie. It's a mirror that reflects our society. Then, and now, it reminds us na kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, people will always fight for love, justice, and survival. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's really, really worth it. It's a 10 over 10. And that's all for a movie critique. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more film reviews. Kita kits. Bye!